Are you looking for the best ice cream makers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best ice cream makers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ninja Creami Deluxe Ice Cream Maker. Of all the ice cream makers we tested, the Ninja Creami Deluxe set the standard for simplicity, versatility, and delicious final products. Thanks to its 11 presets, this machine can whip up frozen treats of all textures from different ingredients, from standard ice cream to frappuccino-style frozen coffee drinks to non-dairy sorbets and Italian ice. It's similar to a canister-style machine, but the Creami works uniquely. You pre-freeze the entire base mixture rather than just the bowl. Then, similarly to a great blender, the Creami's spinning blade breaks up ice crystals and whips in air to give the final product the right texture. There's an included recipe book with dozens of options using all the different modes, along with tips for adapting existing ice cream recipes to the machine. Cleanup is easy with the Creami, as all the removable pieces are dishwasher safe. The machine is designed to keep the mess in the bowls and off the motor spindle and exterior. This deluxe model is a level up from the original Ninja Creami, with 4 additional spin modes and 24-ounce containers rather than 16-ounce pints. And it's a step down from the new Ninja Swirl by Creami, which has an attached soft serve dispenser in addition to the full suite of ice cream modes. We've tested all 3, and all 3 make great ice cream, but we recommend the Deluxe most. Its larger capacity and extra versatility are well worth the small price increase over the original, while the soft serve capability of the Swirl isn't worth the major price jump in more numerous, and complicated, pieces. The Creami Deluxe is extremely versatile, but it doesn't lend itself to making frozen desserts on a whim. You have to mix up and freeze the ingredients 24 hours ahead. With a standard container-style ice cream maker, you can keep the bowl in the freezer to satisfy last-minute ice cream cravings, but that's not possible with a Creami. It's also not great with mix-ins and swirls. Small, hard bits like chocolate chips stay whole, but the blade breaks down softer cookies, fruits, and nut butters, blending the mixture thoroughly rather than leaving chunks. One issue we ran into in testing is fixable. Not the fault of the Creami machine, but a batch came out rather powdery due to the freezer being set at an especially low temperature. Food and wine editor Mary Claire LeGroux, who's been using the original Ninja Creami for more than 2 years, says, pressing the respin button makes it creamier, but you may have to add a little liquid and then respin to get the right consistency. Dimensions: 12 by 8.4 by 16.7 inches, weight, 14.4 pounds, capacity, 24 ounces, dishwasher safe, yes, includes 2 24-ounce tubs, 2 storage lids. Number 2. Whynter Automatic Compressor Ice Cream Maker. A compressor-based ice cream maker costs more than a canister-style one but is also more versatile. This Whynter is a tiny freezer, able to turn room-temperature ingredients into frozen treats with the push of a button. It features an automatic timer for freezing ice cream and sorbet, but it also doubles as a yogurt maker, with a gentle heating mode to maintain the optimal fermentation temperature. In testing, the textures of our sorbet and ice cream were both wonderful. The Whynter works somewhat faster than other compressor models, albeit slower than the pre-frozen canister style. On the other hand, you don't have to pre-freeze anything or keep a big canister in the freezer. Our biggest performance complaint is fairly minor. A lot of the ice cream and sorbet stuck to the paddle as we pulled it out of the machine, and we had to do a lot of careful scraping to get everything into a food storage container. Whynter is a big name in compressor ice cream makers. We've tested 6 of the brand's models, and we say the 2-quart option offers the best balance of capacity, functionality, and price. This ice cream maker can do a lot, though it's probably best for someone who will use it frequently. The compressor is large, heavy, and will take up significant room on the countertop or in a cabinet. Dimensions: 16.75 by 11.25 by 10.25 inches, weight, 24.3 pounds, capacity, 64 ounces, dishwasher safe, no. Number 3. Cuisinart Pure Indulgence Ice Cream Maker. An ice cream maker doesn't have to be large or complicated to be effective. the Cuisinart Pure Indulgence did a great job in testing with only 4 pieces and a single on-off switch. It's compact but can make up to 2 quarts per batch, and it's faster than compressor models thanks to a pre-frozen bowl that chills things amazingly efficiently. This lightweight, inexpensive machine is ideal for small kitchens, and the entire setup with motor, paddle, and cover isn't much bigger than the bowl itself. Cuisinart's basic ice cream maker design has hardly changed in decades, and for good reason. The Pure Indulgence works equally well with ice cream, frozen yogurt, or sorbet recipes with its single speed. If you want to add mix-ins, you simply dump them through the chute on top toward the end of the churning process. With that said, the Cuisinart's ease does make it less customizable. There aren't any speed controls, alternate paddles, or other options to create frozen desserts of different textures. Our test sorbet came out less smooth than machines with sorbet-specific settings, especially after a few hours of post-churn hardening in the freezer. Though the final capacity is 2 quarts per batch, you'll need to stay below the 1.5 quart line with both base mixture and mix-ins. We had to cut back on the cookie pieces in our test to avoid an overflow disaster as the ice cream whipped up and increased in volume. The other downside is that you have to pre-freeze the canister and plan to make ice cream. A compressor machine lets you do so without any advance notice. All in all, though, the Pure Indulgence is an excellent value and a great beginner option. Dimensions: 8.25 by 8.25 by 11.5 inches, weight, 13.4 pounds, capacity, 64 ounces, dishwasher safe, no. Number 4. Cuisinart Mix-It and Soft Serve Ice Cream Maker. Soft serve is a different beast than standard ice cream, requiring different recipes and freezing procedures to achieve that ideal not quite scoopable, not quite pourable texture. Cuisinart's Mix-It machine not only creates and dispenses soft serve directly into a cone thanks to the included holder, but it also holds 3 toppings of your choice and keeps a cup of fudge, caramel, or other sauce warm for drizzling. It's a fun treat for kids, or the kid in all of us. However, there's a good reason that home soft serve makers are fairly uncommon. Making soft serve can be challenging. During our tests, there was only a short window when the texture was right for dispensing. It was too liquid before that, and then too solid afterward to push cleanly through the spout. And even in optimal form, the ice cream came out airy and whipped cream-like. The accessories also didn't work as well as advertised. Toppings were as likely to spill on the counter as they were to make it onto the cone, and the sauce heater took 40 minutes to bring caramel from cold to barely room temperature. But with this machine, as much of the fun is in making the soft serve as is in eating it. Dimensions: 11 by 9.4 by 17.7 inches, weight, 15.4 pounds, capacity, 48 ounces, dishwasher safe. Yes, some parts, includes 3 condiment containers, 4-ounce keep warm cup. Number 5. Lello Musso Pola 5030. The Italian-made Lello Musso Pola could be the right choice if you plan to open a gelato shop out of your kitchen. This heavy-duty pro-level compressor ice cream maker can freeze 2 quarts in as little as 20 minutes, and it's heavy-duty enough to handle any sort of mix-in you might want to add. The interior freezing bowl is entirely self-contained, with no chance of any ice cream mix getting into the motor or compressor areas. Our test batches of sorbet, frozen custard, and standard ice cream all came out perfectly, with incredibly smooth and velvety textures. The Musso Pola churns quite slowly, which whips less air into the mix for a denser result. Slow churning can lead to icy ice cream if the temperature is uneven, but that did not happen in our testing of this machine. As a professional ice cream maker, the Lello Musso Pola carries a serious price, several times higher than any of the others on this list. But if you're a frozen dessert fanatic looking for a machine to use day in and day out, it could be worth the investment. It's quite heavy at almost 70 pounds, though that helps hold it steady on the counter and makes it a lot quieter. Cleaning can also be a pain, as the freezing bowl isn't removable, and you have to rinse and wipe it out manually. Dimensions: 20 by 14 by 12.25 inches, weight, 69.4 pounds, capacity, 64 ounces, dishwasher safe, no.